Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to mix protein powder. First, select a quality protein powder and your preferred liquid, like water or milk. You'll need a shaker bottle with a mixing ball or a blender. Measure 1 scoop of protein powder, which is usually 25 to 30 grams. Getting these basics right ensures a great start to your perfect shake every time. Using a shaker bottle is quick and easy. Begin by pouring 8 to 12 ounces of your chosen liquid into the bottle. Then, add 1 scoop of protein powder directly on top. Make sure the lid is securely fastened to avoid any spills. Shake the bottle vigorously for about 20 to 30 seconds until the powder is fully dissolved and the mixture is smooth. For an extra smooth shake, or if you're adding more ingredients, a blender is ideal. Combine 8 to 12 ounces of liquid with 1 scoop of protein powder. Feel free to add fruits, ice, or a spoonful of nut butter for a delicious boost. Blend on a medium to high setting for 30 to 60 seconds, ensuring everything is perfectly mixed. Here are some pro tips for the best results. Always add your liquid first to prevent the powder from clumping at the bottom. Using cold liquid makes for a more refreshing and smoother shake. For optimal benefits, try to consume your protein shake within 30 minutes of mixing. Don't be afraid to experiment with various liquids and flavor combinations to discover your perfect blend.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.